In this video, I just want to show you some floor mats, floor liner that are custom for the Altima 6th generation. That's what I got for my car. So they came in this box. They're made by YHT Auto. I don't know how to pronounce this. And when I unboxed them, it was a bit weird because on Amazon, I'll put a link by the way if you want to get some from Amazon. On the picture on Amazon, there was not this yellow logo with a lion. It was just their black and white logo. So yeah, I was a bit surprised, but I didn't mind that much. Installing them was very, very easy. So just remove your old carpets, the one that came with the car mostly, that gather a lot of dust. Take your new ones, and they are molded for the Altima. Okay, I don't, they did this with a laser, I suppose. And under them, they have those studs that will keep them in place. They don't move around once you install them. So for the back seats, this is how it looks. As you see, what I like about them is that they go up on the sides. So if you're living in a country where you have a lot of snow, a lot of water, well, that water will not spill in the cabin on the floor of your car. It will stay inside, and yeah, I really like how high it goes on each side. For the front seats is the same thing, but the front seats has those small clips, two of them. And the good news, well, I'll vacuum just a bit before putting them, is that these carpets, these mats, custom mats, also have those clips. So you'll be able to pop them in so they stay there safely. On the passenger side, it goes really deep. So even if your passenger puts its feet really far away, well, it will not get dirty. And this is how it looks on the driver's side. Again, I really like how tall it goes, how well protected on the sides. And even under the pedal, it doesn't cause any problems. And yeah, much better than the stock carpets. They won't soak any water, and they're very easy to clean since they're made out of hard rubber. Check my Amazon links in the description down below if you want to get some. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment.